Ever heard of a prophet who floated an axe head, purified poisoned stew, and even brought a boy back to life? Meet Elisha, the successor to the fiery prophet Elijah. But where Elijah was all fire and brimstone, Elisha was a beacon of hope and restoration for Israel. He received a double portion of Elijah's spirit, and man did he use it, from multiplying a widow's oil to feed her family, to healing the powerful Syrian commander Naaman of leprosy. Elisha's miracles weren't just flashy displays, they were acts of compassion that rebuilt faith and brought hope back to a struggling nation. His story shows us that even in the darkest times, God's power can bring incredible restoration and new life. It's a powerful reminder of faith, compassion, and the amazing things that can happen when we trust in a power greater than ourselves. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing stories.